This is how you insert doors into existing walls. To do it, underneath the Architecture tab, first select on the Door command. After selecting on Door, find underneath the Properties on the Type Selector list the 8-foot by 6-foot 6-inch overhead sectional door, and select on the dimensions themselves. If you select on the picture or on the gray, it won't work. You have to select on the actual dimensions for that door upon placement. You can see a preview of this door we're getting ready to place. We can see the sill heights at 0 feet 0 inches, so that's how high this door is going to be off of the ground. Move your mouse into the drawing area, and when you do, you'll see a circle with a line through it. This is indicating that doors can only be placed in walls. And currently, it's not on a wall, so there's no place for us to be able to place this door. But if you move your mouse straight down until it's touching one of the walls, you'll be able to see that door trying to get placed into the wall. In fact, in this case, let's go ahead and place 2 of these doors in. Move your mouse over, then when you get the 6-foot dimension, click in order to place the door. Move your mouse over again. When you see the 6-foot dimension on the right, click again, and that will place another one of these overhead doors into our project. Now I'd like to place a normal swinging door, access door, here in the side of the building. To do that, we can stay in the command, but we'll need to click on the pull-down menu, which is the Type Selector list, and select 36 by 84 off of the list. It too is going to have a sill height of 0 feet 0 inches. It also has a head height of 7 feet. Move your mouse over so that it's selecting on the wall that we want to place this door into. Now before I even click, you'll see that if I move to the left-hand side, the door will swing out. And if I move my mouse to the right-hand side, the door is going to swing in. Also, if I want to change this from being a right-hand swinging door to a left-hand, you can just click the space bar to flip it from one hand to the other. Place it where you'd like to in the wall, just by clicking. Now we have the door and it's in the right place. Hit escape a couple of times on the keyboard to get out of the command. Another function of doors that I want to show is if you select on the icon of the door, with most doors you'll see a pair of arrows. If you click one of those pair, it'll flip the door swing from being in the building to out of the building. The other one will change it from being a left-hand to a right-hand swinging door. So even after placement, you can adjust the door swing so it's going in the appropriate direction. Now I'd like to place a few more doors on the interior side of our building. In this case, zoom into this part of the building. And the 2 doors I'd like to add are going to be a door here and a door here leading into our restroom areas. At some time in the future, we'll add some doors for an elevator, as well as a door to be leading into our staircase area. Select on the Door command one more time. 36 by 84 in this case works just fine for me. If I didn't want to have this kind of door, I could always come up here to load and then load in a different type of door for this condition, but 36 by 84 should work just fine for this area. Move down here. Hit the space bar in order to switch the door swing so that it's up against the wall, and then click to place that door in. Do the same thing over here. Move your mouse over, hit the space bar if need be to switch the door swing, click, and now we have doors in both of these different locations. Zoom back out again so you can see your doors. One other item that I want to point out is there is an option here for tag on placement. Had tag on placement been checked, then the second we would have placed these doors in, it would have automatically placed a door tag in each of these door locations. So to place a normal door, just remember, click on the Architecture tab, click on Door, then select the appropriate door off of the list, move your cursor over, find a place where you want to place a door, and then click, and that will place the door in that location.